neighbors and friends here in Chickasaw. It's me, the fence guy, again, bringing you another Questions by the Campfire. Normally, what I do with these things is I'll go ahead and show you some minutes from the council meeting and go ahead and give you my opinion on it and um, any research that I've dug up on the subject and stuff like that. But as you can see, we haven't received any council minutes since, what was it, last year, June, July of last year. They haven't posted them on the city website. So it's another tactic that they use to keep the city from knowing what they're doing and what's going on. So, but this isn't about that. What this is about is a $5 million lawsuit that's been going on in Chickasaw for the past year and a half. This involves the candidates that ran against the A team during the last election and a member of the library. That's right, Amber Johnson, the one who's in charge of the library, has filed a lawsuit about a year and a half ago against these people. And it was over some discussions that were had on Facebook and questions that were asked. I don't want to say too much because this is going to be my only video where I'm not going to give too much on trying to gear you towards what I think is going on. I'd rather you form your own opinion. So what I'm going to do is show you the motion that was filed by Bob McFall's lawyer. And what had happened was they went to court because Nash Campbell and Garrett Zogby are city lawyers who's deeply involved in this case. This is a civil case between Amber and these people, and somehow the city lawyers have gotten involved in this. One of them has even referred to her as his client earlier on in the litigation. They've kind of taken over this case that's being spearheaded by Amber Johnson's mother, Linda Johnson, who's a paralegal, and Barry Broadhead's executive secretary. So, with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the motion that was filed last Thursday. Last Thursday, they went to court because the city was trying to get a protective order. They were trying to get it to where the defendants couldn't question the city council and the mayor, and that something couldn't be put into evidence. There's a recording of Adam Bourne talking to Chief Fillingham about harassing him, about Adam telling the chief that he needs to harass some citizens here in Chickasaw, and if he didn't do it, then he'd go ahead and get somebody that would do it. So they tried to get a protective order so that couldn't be talked about or nobody could bring that in as evidence, as well as not deposing the city officials because they're high-ranking officials is the way that they tried to put it. Well, thankfully the judge could see through all that, and she went ahead and denied their claim. So they're going to be deposed, and the evidence is going to be put on record, which is going to probably, hopefully, start some other things going on because Adam is a councilman. He's not a mayor, and he has tried to tell the chief and our clerk of courts to do things that are unethical, pretty much abuse of power. But I'm not going to get into that. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and let you read the motion, which will tell the majority of the story of what's going on. If by some chance you want to read it, because I'm going to put music in the background because it's a little while. If you want to read it, all you have to do is pause it. If you're on your phone and you can't read it through that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put on the bottom the pages individually, and they're going to be marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's like 22 pages that you guys can go ahead and look at them at your own leisure. So let's go ahead and get that started. Again, I want to thank you all for watching this, and I'm not going to form an opinion on this. I'm going to let you do it on your own. I know that I do that on a lot of my videos where I'll sit there and talk through them and explain things to people so they're going to understand. It's what I like to call transparency. If somebody gets a chance, remember, Ken Sturrett promised us transparency when he was running for office. As you can see, that's why I still have to make these videos, because there is none. So let's go ahead and show you the motion, and y'all have a good day.
Target on my back, lone survivor last. They got me in the sights. No surrender, no trigger, fingers go. Living the dangerous life. Hey, 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 every day when I wake, I'm trying to get up, they're knocking me down. Cheering me up, spitting me out. Hey, 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 when I need to be saved, you're making me strong, you're making me stand. Shot like a rocket up into the sky. Nothing can stop me tonight. You make me feel invincible, earthquake powerful, just like a tidal wave. You make me break on my titanium fight song, raise it up like the roar of can stop me tonight. You make me